Hi, welcome everyone. You are now watching the Factory In-House Live Show of 2021 TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei. I'm Jada, your host today. The 2021 TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei has been transformed into a unique and brand new digital event as online exhibition and DigitalGo. Due to a pandemic, even though we cannot meet face-to-face in physical trade show, I'm going to bring you to visit our exhibitors' factory through internet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in chat box in words. We will answer them in Q&A section. We would like to apologize for last time due to technical problem and connection issues. We couldn't process to Q&A section with KIEFEL smoothly. But today I'm going to bring you to Germany. And now let me welcome the area manager of KIEFEL, Mr. Tobias Schoening. Hello, Tobias.
大家好, hello, Saida.
Hi. Tobias was based in Asia before, so he has a Chinese name, Wang Shujing. Hello, Mr. Wang. So now let's follow Tobias to visit KIEFEL's factory. Let's go.
谢谢。
This is the KIEFEL campus. Our technology center as well as the sales and engineering teams are located here. High quality is our top priority. In our laboratory, we drive the development of customer projects and perform various material testing. We are currently building a brand new packaging technology center. Here, we will not only showcase our new machines to customers, but also run product tests and ensure continuous machine development. We have several large assembly halls where we assemble all our machines for the packaging, medical, and appliance industry. Developing young talent is very important to us. That is why our apprentices enjoy modern electronic and mechanical training workshops and have the opportunity to gain practical experience in our assembly halls. We have a large logistics area. Our warehouse system ensures that we always have all parts that might be needed available. Around 80,500 items are in stock. Our shipping department handles more than 7,100 shipments annually. Our after-sales service team, which operates from locations around the globe, offers worldwide service and on-site support. In our KIEFEL portal, customers can order spare parts 24/7, view machine data, access training content, and more. Our specialist companies, KIEFEL Packaging in Austria and KIEFEL Packaging in the Netherlands, complement our range of products. Together, we offer turnkey solutions from material and product development to up- and downstream automation for the packaging industry.
It is time to lift the curtain, and please welcome with me together the Speedformer KMD 78 Smart. Actually, we also call it just the Smartformer or even call it the Smarty. This is a new chapter in the success story of KIEFEL we want to continue writing together with you. We do produce it in China in the city of Suzhou. We are there located in an industrial park at the East Coast. Because of the close international seaports nearby, we can achieve a very short lead time for you. And I can tell you, we are no greenhorns anymore in the Chinese production business, because already in 2011, our mother company, the Brückner Group, established the Chinese headquarters there in Suzhou. They extended and increased their capabilities in production and also workforce, and now there is an international team working of more than 160 people. We, from KIEFEL, stepped into the market in 2017, starting to produce our SmartFormer. We do that according to our philosophy, engineered in Germany, assembled in China. And I can tell you, the feedback was amazing, because right in the beginning we got increased demands and very big good feedback from our customers and partners, and that's why we already in 2018 started the serial production of our SpeedFormer in China. In 2019 we pumped up the capacity to 50 units machines per year. But I can tell you, we don't rest on our successes. Even this year, we will almost produce machine number 100. We will continue to improve our product and adding new features to serve your customers best. So now, I invite you joining me selling the SmartFormer also into your good market. I hope I made you curious about this machine and of course also the people behind it. This is our highly qualified and trained KIEFEL team in Suzhou. Now, I don't want to go too much into the details of the KMD78 Smart, because I believe our KIEFEL partners in your country can do that even better than me at a time of your convenience and just in your neighborhood. But I just want to name a few highlights of the machine now already, so please join me and follow from the left to the right. Right after the feeding station, there is our heating station waiting for the foil, and 66 ceramic elements will heat up the foil in a very efficient way, and they are monitored by a very accurate pyrometer. After that, arriving in the forming station, we will be able to produce products up to a height of 150 millimeters and later cut them with our high efficient and strong cutting station with a force up to 500 kilonewton. Our knife heating and kiss cut technology enables us to produce highest quality products up to a speed of 35 cycles per minute. Down the stream, there are several stacking options waiting for you to cater your demands and deliver the product in the way you like it the best. But that were too many words at this point already, I feel. So let's rather have a look and see the machine in action in the next video. Over the past 50 years of company history in KIEFEL, we were very good in recognizing the changes in trends and customer demands. Having said that, we also recognize now the trends of the major consumer brands in minimizing their ecological footprint, and they try to do that by increasing the share of recyclable packaging material. One way to do that is, for example, using fiber material in packaging. We have proven it over many decades in KIEFEL that we are very professional in using polymer-based and bio-based material in thermoforming. But now, given the time and the changing demand of our customers, or additional demand, let's say, we also build up our capabilities in fiber-based material processing. So, we developed a fiber thermoforming machine in KIEFEL and now are able to produce your well-known standard package material and layouts like trays, lids and cups, also in fiber. You can imagine that we put all our extensive machine building experience also into this product, so you can expect the same high quality you are used to from KIEFEL. Just to name a few highlights, we also here use servo-driven engines to minimize the energy consumption while gaining precision. We used big glass sliding doors, safety glass of course, to have a good monitoring of the process inside, and also gives you good accessibility for the tool changes you want to go for. So you see here, for example, tool change within 2 hours is really very fast.
Hi, welcome back. We would like to welcome everyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in chat. I would like to welcome Mr. Tobias, the area manager of KIEFEL, and Mr. Stefan, the director of after sales team, to join us for Q&A section. I would like to welcome everyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in chat box now. Thank you. Okay, we have first question from Mr. Hussein. Hi, Tobias. I would like to know, KIEFEL's operating interface seems to have many options. Does the machine have few functions? Please, Tobias.
Yes, indeed. We have a lot of options, and to master these options and to select the right one for your process, it all comes down to the right human-machine interface, saying the control panel. And this we developed very new, and we gradually roll it out in our machine portfolio, and that enables you to have even this very complex system. We make it in a, let's say, iPad format with Swift and press, so you can easily choose the functions you need for your process. And also very important, you do that while the machine is running, so you don't lose time and performance.
And there's a second question by Mr. Hussein. Are the parts of KIEFEL machine easily damaged, and what is the accuracy of the machine?
Okay, I would answer this question. Thank you for the question. Durability and accuracy are very important quality factors for our machinery. Our machines can and do operate all around the world in very diverse environment with a very high accuracy over many years. Our machines can use tools up to 600 kilograms, create forces up to 700 kilonewtons with production speeds up to 50 cycles per minute. And this over many years without the loss of the accuracy. Only a very solid and stable build of our machines can ensure to keep the accuracy and the durability of our machines over many years. Of course, doing preventive maintenance, replacing spare spare parts on a certain basis also is an important factor. And we do support this with our global after-sales setup. We have around 70 field service engineers available all around the world to support with any after-sales inquiry. And if parts are needed, we have an online platform to easily and quickly identify spare parts on a web access basis. Very simple and very quick. So if parts are needed, it's a very quick and easy process to find them.
There's a question from Miss Annie. Will the KIEFEL mold change process be complicated? Will it be time-consuming? And will it be difficult to adjust the parameters?
It's a very valid question, Annie. But before I answer that, one more point to the after-sales service, because also because of the pandemic we all face now, and traveling is not so easy. So let's say our German flying doctors, which are usually come for if there's really an important troubleshoot all over the world, that's not possible. That's why we strengthen our local network we have in place. And just to mention our good colleagues from KIEFEL in Taiwan, they are in place to serve Taiwan, and now also the Philippines and Vietnam with the after-sales service. So we need to go global.
Exactly. So our field service team is really decentral. So we have engineers all around the world to be close to where they are needed.
And now come to the mold change, which is of course, a very important part for the customers, because the mold change every time means the machine is down and cannot produce. So it doesn't perform, it doesn't produce, it costs time and it costs money. So we constantly try to improve and to fasten this mold change time, but also with high requirements to the safety, because the molds are heavy and it's very delicate and you have to be careful to handle with them. So for our KMD, for our tray portfolio, we are down to a time of 45 minutes. And the time I tell you now is every time if you consider one person is doing the tool change. If you have more people, of course, you can do it faster. But for one person to change a complete tool set for a KMD is around 45 minutes. For our cup machines, the KTR, you can also see here behind me in the banner. We talk about more. We talk about 1.5 to 2 hours just because of the complexity of the tool. But our colleagues and our customers know, our partners, in a cup business, you don't change the mold so often, because usually you produce in line with an extruder in front. So you have it running for many days and usually you don't touch the mold. Then for our third part of machinery, you see in the very back of me, this is our fiber machinery. Fiber machinery means we're using pulp and water, so pulp and paper, and form it into new products to follow the sustainability process. And here we talk about a hot press tool, which goes up to 200, 220 degrees Celsius. So just because of that, you have to wait until it gets cold. Otherwise, it's difficult to handle, or it's not possible to handle it. Then I would say if you do it manually, depending if you are in Germany, it's a little faster. In Taiwan, it takes a little more time, because in Taiwan it's warmer. So it takes more time to cool down. So if you do it manually, you have to wait until it's cooled down. And then I would say it's 1.5 to 2 hours. But every time for all mold change, you can use this time to do certain maintenance or do certain checkups of the machine. You use this time, you have to do anyway. So, but for our fiber machines, because we know 1.5 hours might be a little too long, we also offer the option of automatic tool change, where our robot arm, which is anyway operating in the system, just when you saw it in the video, we can also catch the hot tool because he does not care about the temperature. And if you do that, you can master a tool change in less than 20 minutes.
And there's a question from Mr. Philip. Is 78 Smart process Homo PP easily?
Yes, Homo PP is also one of our applications, standard application we are using. And interesting that this question comes just to show one. Here, even with 2 color.
Now, okay. Yeah, or is anything Tobias and Stefan want to share with us more? The floor is all yours. Thank you.
Sounds great. So then I will use the chance, because we prepared, of course, we take some samples of our machines. So can start with the standard with our polymer based. You see here, for example, a PP hinged box, duo color, which can be mastered with our print mark control. It's one of our options to recognize where to start the printing. Then we have a very nice application, very deep, very thick material, also PP. This is for hot pot, huoguo. Very interesting for Asian market. And then of course the standard application here, also hinge box, plastic, and now I can just, it's difficult to see over the video, but the quality is really nice and neat. And in the end, I can also show you here some products out of our fiber machines. Here a pasta cup, or also some bowls. Because as I said in the video, we see the trend from our customers, our plastic customers. They have the demand either from customers directly or from the government to also follow this sustainability path. So to gradually, where it is possible, to replace pure plastic packaging, also with fiber, with sustainable and easy to recycle packages. So of course, we follow the market and also serve our customer. And
thank you, Tobias. Actually, the container looks very familiar. One of them looks like our, hot pot. The deep one, yes. Oh, really?
Yes, this one is highly loud.
You're the expert of Asian market. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
And
yes,
also this
yes,
one, this
yes.
pasta cup.
So
this is also for familiar, for example. Very easy to take away.
And we're glad that you all use the new technology also to, decrease the plastic and also try to protect the earth through your smart technology.
Where it is possible, we replace plastic. But to talk a little about KIEFEL, we also do something in the medical business. For example, we produce the blood bags or the bags for if you need infusions, if you need food, if you're unconscious. And this is something in the very past, it was done in glass. Also okay, but now we do it in plastic. And of course, this is something you cannot replace right now. Who knows in the future? But our philosophy is, or also what we tell as a customer, and I think also the government should go for that. That is the right path. You use plastic where it's necessary, but you also try to replace it where it is possible.
It's very important. It takes everyone's efforts for both governments and also for the industry and also for the customer. Everyone needs to protect our earth. Okay, so if there's no... Yes, thank you, Tobias. So if there's no further questions, I would like to wrap up today's event. TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei online exhibition at DigitalGo is live during September 28 to October 28. Please stay tuned every Wednesday and Thursday for Factory In-House Live Show. Please visit taipeiplus.com.tw and shoetech.com.tw for more details. And of course, if you're interested in all KIEFEL solutions, please make sure to visit www.kiefel.com for more services. I would like to thank for Tobias and Stefan joining us today, and thankful for all the audience for your watching and your questions. Please keep healthy and happy. We would like to meet you soon, very quick. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.